Link your EA account to Twitch. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can link your EA account to Twitch. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to link your EA account to Twitch, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is simply open your browser and go to ea.com/Twitch linking. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you go to ea.com/Twitch linking, you're going to be able to see this type of interface as you would be able to find over here. So let the web page to load up successfully first of all. Now here, make sure you're signed into both your EA account as well as also your Twitch account. And once you sign into both of your accounts over here, it will take you to the page where you can directly link your EA account to Twitch. So from here, you can just tap the link accounts button that you can find here and your account will get successfully linked. This way you will be able to go ahead and then link your EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.